Hey guys, this is Liesl from Amalyze, and welcome to our second tutorial video about our keyword monitoring tool. In part 1, we created a keyword ranking project. Since our project has collected data for a few days, now it's time to analyze this data. Let's take a look. First, let's talk about how to edit a project. Go ahead and click the Edit Project button. Here you can add keywords, products, or even delete your project. On the right side, you can change the interval. If you click on this Daily button, you can select the interval you want to get data for. For example, on a daily basis, weekly, monthly, and so on. And now you can choose the time frame you want to get the data for, and it'll be displayed in a chart below. Just click on the calendar and you'll be able to either adjust the time range manually by choosing a start and end date, or you can also choose one of the default settings. Click Apply and your settings will be saved. Now let's take a look at this chart. There are two lines, a blue one and a red one. The blue line displays the progress of the organic rankings, and the red one shows the progress of the sponsored product rankings of the keywords and the 3 products we're using for this project. By hovering your mouse over this chart, you'll be able to see the data points. For example, on Tuesday, May 17th, 2022, we had an organic keyword ranking position of 1.33, and the ranking position of the sponsored product was 5.67. Just keep hovering your mouse over the chart, and you'll see the data and ranking information for the 3 keywords from our monitoring project. Below the chart, you'll see the results table. Here you can disable and enable specific rankings. Let's say you don't want to see the sponsored product rankings line in your chart. Just click on SPA and you'll only see the organic rankings for your keywords. You can also make the sponsored product rankings line reappear by clicking the same button one more time. This will also update the data. Next, we have the keyword filter. If you type in the word iPad, for example, and click on the magnifier symbol, you'll see all the keywords of our project which contain the word iPad. And in this case, it would be 2 out of the 3 keywords. So let's delete this again. Below the keyword filter, you'll see the keywords, and you can also get some information about the keywords. For example, the opportunity score, the search volume, and some other data concerning your keywords. And here on the right side, you'll see the average keyword rankings positions. So for the word apple, we have an organic ranking position of 2 for this previously set time frame over here. And as mentioned before, below you'll find the keyword rankings. This information is for the average keyword ranking position for this keyword and for all of the products which are currently being monitored in our project, including organic and sponsored rankings. By clicking on this drop-down menu icon, you'll find the parent ASIN. And if you click on the drop-down menu icon of the parent ASIN, you'll be able to see all variants of this ASIN. As you can see, only one variant is ranking organically for the keyword apple. You can also have the keyword ranking information appear in your chart by clicking on this switch. The chart will automatically show you the adjusted and updated keyword ranking position for this specific ASIN. Let's disable the switch again. You can also perform some actions with your keywords and also with your products. If you'd like to open this keyword in another keyword tool, just click on the More Actions button. Now you can decide if you want to open it with one of our other tools or open it on Amazon, or maybe you just want to add this keyword to another list. The same can be done with the products. Just click on the More Actions button and you'll be able to open this product in a different tool or on Amazon, or you can choose one of the other actions. It's all up to you. And that's it for our tutorial about our keyword monitoring tool. Make sure to check out the first video of this 2-part tutorial. Otherwise, you may miss out on some important information on how to create a keyword ranking project. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, happy analyzing.